Okay, I can solve this Rubik's Cube, no problem. This is easy. Oh, I'm so frustrated, I can't do it anymore. Kelly, you try.
I can't do it.
Come on, guys, this can't be that hard.
You've been trying forever. Sam!
I can do it.
You go.
Sam, you try.
I can't do it.
Graham, you try.
Easy. How do you turn this thing? Oh, that's cool. I can't do it.
Oh, fools, hand it to me.
Griffin!
2 minutes.
You're getting it.
What? What? Everybody stand back!
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, no!
I gotta stand up so I can sit down.
What's happening?
Did you see that? Never mind.
I need to see this.
He's in the zone. I haven't seen somebody do this since Rubik's Cube back in 1989.
Oh my gosh,
He's doing it!
He hasn't seen a cube like this in years. Hands are cramping up. So close. It's happening.
No way!
Oh my god! It's happening!
It's impossible. It can't be solved. So dramatic. What? 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 Ah!